Now we're going to do some kneeling exercises. I'll do this first round with you, and then you can simply repeat the video 3 times. So go ahead and come up on your hands and knees. You'll want to make sure that your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and knees are directly underneath your hips. So first, we're going to contract in the spine, pulling your abdominals in and rounding and tucking your chin. From here now, you lift your tailbone and head the opposite direction, getting a nice arch. And now again, exhale, pull those abs in, round in your back as much as you can, pulling them in, and then arch, lifting your tailbone and head. This will give you great flexibility in your spine. Pull up with those abdominals, round, and arch. And one more time, pull up, tuck your tailbone and chin, and then arch, lifting your tailbone and chin the opposite direction. So now we come back to a neutral position. So you're neither flexed nor extended, just right in the middle. And this is balance control. We're gonna test our balance here. First by taking the right leg out behind us. Get your balance in this position first. You'll feel a little shift of weight. Keep the abs pulled in tight and shoulders down. Now from here, extend your left arm out in front of you. And now imagine someone has a hold of your hand and someone else has a hold of your foot, and they're playing tug of war with your body, just stretching you out nice and long. Reach the fingertips out in front of you, toes behind you. Great, checking in here with the balance and then coming back in. And now extend the left leg out, right arm extends, abs are pulled in, and the same thing. Reach those fingertips out in front of you, stretch the toes behind you, nice long body, and then back in. We'll switch a couple more times here, reaching out, just a little bit faster now. Back in, and reach out, and back in, reach out. We can't shift our weight too much here as we're alternating right and left. Just stay right in place there, weight centered, alternating here. And one more time, right and left, reaching out, and reaching out. Good. So next is the kneeling glutes. Here we're gonna focus on the back side of the leg. You're gonna hinge directly from your hip, keeping your knee bent. Notice we're not hyperextending in the back. You wanna keep your abdominals pulled in and then come back down. You're gonna exhale, lift up, and then inhale, lower. Exhale, lift up, inhale, lower. All the focus in the hamstring and glute behind the bottom there. And exhale, lift up, and lower down, and lift up, and lower down, and a few more here. Lift up and lower down and lift up and lower down. Other side, left leg up and lower. Keep those abs pulled in tight and back down. Exhale, hamstring and glute, back side of the leg. All of our focus right behind there. Exhale, lift and back down, and lift and back down, lift and back down, keeping the abdominals pulled in. Back is stable, just in one place as you're hinging from the hips, up. And last 2 here, lifting up and down and up and down. And then from here, just finish with the child's pose. Back on your hips there, arms extended out in front, and just rest your spine. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also click that subscribe button so that way you are notified every time I post a video. Remember, on this channel, I am here to help you with movement and mindset and also makeup tips to help build your confidence. So I hope you click that subscribe button, make sure to click it, and I will see you in my next video.